look at test case generation or connection to requirements. A lot of times people talk about requirements being captured informally in some Word document or some text. Today, people are working on natural language processing, which is kind of an AI technique for extracting templates, test cases from textual requirements, including extraction of flow related knowledge from textual requirements. Similarly, not only flow, but also understanding the concept being talked about, the nouns, the verbs being talked about in the use cases. So this becomes a very, very useful tool for generating test cases directly from a text-based requirements. Then from a perspective of user execution sessions data, test case execution data, collecting a lot of them, then using machine learning to generate patterns, and you can use that to create test cases. So it is important for us to understand that all of these are basically about some kind of data is there. Based on that, you're trying to create some kind of a pattern out of it. So for example, you have a textual document. Out of that, you're trying to get a pattern which is looking like a text case. Similarly, you look at commonality of the sequence of sessions and trying to create a flow which will be used for generation of test cases. So test case generation is an area which is based on conventionally a lot of domain specific things, but now with ML and AI, with lots of analysis of input and intelligent analysis of the flows, you can automate the generation of text.